successfully pick the pin tumbler lock, all you really need is a torque wrench and a hook pick. There are many methods you can use. We'll cover a few, plus some automatic tools. The torque wrench is inserted into the keyway and used to rotate the plug. Apply a continuous light turning pressure. The pick is used to manipulate the pins. Keep a slight turning pressure with your wrench while doing this. Raking is one of the easiest methods to learn, although it can be difficult to fully master. To rake successfully, you need to have just the right touch. This is something that can only be learned through practice. Raking is one of the fastest hand methods when it works. First, place a torque wrench in the keyway, leaving plenty of room to access the pins. Now, apply a gentle amount of turning force in the correct direction. It is very important to apply the appropriate amount of force. Usually beginners tend to push too hard. Often just a light touch is needed. The idea is to simply take a raking pick and repetitively pull it across all the pins in such a fashion as to push the pins upward and unlock the pin tumbler. Make sure you apply a continuous gentle force to all of the pins as you rake them. Don't skip any. While this may sound too simple at first, it can work well if done properly. Your first pass will most likely not be successful. You must make many passes. With each pass of the pick, slightly increase the turning force on the torque wrench. As frustration sets in, people have a tendency to apply too much force. This won't work and only leads to more frustration. Different rakes and styles of raking work better for different styles of locks. Experience and practice will show you which ones work best. Some require quick, light movements, while others take slow, stronger passes. Remember to use a variety of practice locks to get comfortable with various techniques.